What is 0.5% as a fraction in simplest form? Rewrite is percent means 1 over 100. Just multiply top numbers. Look, 10, 100, these are power of 10. To divide this decimal by power of 10, we just need to count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros here is 2, so decimal point will move 2 places, placeholder 0, then here. So we are getting decimal 005. You can add one more 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. Now we need to convert this. We are adding this 0 means this number is less than 1. Now we need to convert this decimal to fraction. How to do that? So just for numerators, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal, we have to consider 10 for each digit. So 3 digit, 310, of course, as a multiplication. These 3 0 don't have any value. Now reduce or simplify this fraction. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I will get 2 and I will get 1. So we are getting 1 over 10. 1 times 1, 1, add 0, 2. 2 times 1, 2, add 0. So 1 over 200 is the answer. The common factor between 1 and 200 is just 1. So we have nothing to do. This is the simplest form.